Hello, and welcome to this initial discussion of converting existing office buildings into multifamily developments. We're going to be taking you through 3 example projects today that were successful, and we're going to be talking about some key elements that drove the projects. I'm Kirk Keller with Plunkett Bracers Architects, and I'm joined by
Mark Ott. Thanks, Kirk. Often, industrial commercial buildings are located in prime real estate locations. And going green by reusing the buildings can be a win for the neighborhood, the municipality, and the developer.
Now we're going to take you into 3 successful projects. The first one is called the Watermark. This is a successful PRA project that has existing multifamily units within it, and the study was to take a vacant commercial space and to convert it into new multifamily units. This was a challenge in this triangular shaped space, but we were successful, and it created a stronger financial basis for this building to move forward with.
Next, we have the Walden Block. Here, we utilize state and federal historic tax credits to revitalize the building into commercial, market-rate multifamily dwelling units. Key steps were the upfront analysis led by our experience with historic eligibility process and requirements, working with the regulatory agency on compatibility of this existing form with the new function, specifically the historic facade and window requirements to define the project scope, budget, and perform early on. Kirk?
Yep. And our final example is called the Iron Block. First analysis of this project, if you look at the existing commercial office buildings on it, it looks like a prime candidate for conversion. Careful analysis of the mechanical systems and the unique structural system in a circular form led to the conclusion that it did not move for conversion. Instead, it's being removed. And what's being looked at is the corporate campus that it sits on to be studied for new market rate developments. Now, these are 3 projects. PRA brings over 20 years experience into this conversion market for studies. Included in our usual studies would include the political environment, zoning. How do we look at the structural systems? How do we look at the overall planning so that it works for your financial model? Together with that, we then quickly study the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. Together, we're able to give you a balanced image of what your development could be so that you can move forward with confidence.
Thank you for joining us on this discussion of converting commercial space into multifamily dwelling units. With 90 years, 5 national offices, 120 amazing people, we look forward to future video series in which we show you how to solve challenging projects through creative design. We look forward to your project together with one PRA.